How to change graphic settings in NBA Live Mobile. Are you looking for a way to change the graphic settings in NBA Live Mobile to improve performance or visuals? If yes, then here is a beginner-friendly step you can follow. First of all, launch open the NBA Live Mobile game on your mobile devices or tablets and log in. Once you're inside this main home screen, go ahead and click on the gear button at the top right corner. Once you open up this section, go to the Preferences tab on the left corner. Under Preferences, scroll down to Graphic Quality. Now you can adjust the graphic level. If you have a slower phone, you will see options such as very low, low, medium, and high. If you have a slow phone or device, you can choose the very low or low option. If you want a balanced performance, then you can choose medium. If you have a high-end devices, then you can select the high option, which gives you better visuals if your device can handle it. For low-spec phones, select low to very low and you'll not have any kind of a lagging issue on your device while playing the game. After you make a selection, then you can simply go back to the home page and the settings will be applied. So that is how you change the graphic setting in NBA Live Mobile. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back in the next episode. Thank you for watching.